Hello Metricooler! Metricool is the tool for monitoring, reporting, and planning your social networks. The Google Chrome extension of Metricool allows you to publish and plan content in a much easier way while browsing the web. Installing it is very easy. By clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner, we can access more browser options. In the Extensions option, click on Add More Extensions. Look for Metricool and add it to Google Chrome. And there you go, the extension is installed. While browsing the web, you can plan any content you want. All you have to do is click on the Metricool icon. Then, you can add a cool text, choose your profile and select the day, time, and networks you want to plan on. Wow, that was fast. Now while browsing the web, you can see it appear in the calendar. This tool makes it easy to manage all your posts in one location while saving a lot of time. Try using the content calendar by planning with the Metricool extension today. Until next time, Metricooler.